kvCORE Open House app. And when you download it, it'll be this little white circle with a little blue house and little person inside of it. Just tap it to open. And the neat thing about this tool is you can actually search for the property with MLS number or address and create a sign-in sheet on your mobile device or tablet. Now, when you are near Wi-Fi, it's going to automatically sync all of this information to your dashboard, and it'll all flow seamlessly in. So let's go ahead and create an open house sign-in. So I'm just going to type in my MLS number here. So 494-6265. And then I'm going to tap on Start to begin the process of creating this sign-in for an open house. Now, the neat thing here is the system's got a couple of checks and balances to make sure you have the right property in front of you. So give it the eyeball and confirm or choose a new one. And now it's saying, are you sure it's the right property? So just asking you to make sure, change the property if you need to. But this is where you actually start building in the bones of the questions asked, what information you need from the people attending your open house. So the name and email address is required. And you can see all of these with phone number, are you currently working with a real estate agent, etc., are in white with a blue toggle to the right. So when that toggle is to the right and it's blue, that means you will be requiring that information in addition to the name and email. If you slide these to the left, you are omitting those. So if you want to make sure and require a phone number, toggle it on, especially the real estate question. So you can have any combination of these on or off, and then tap on Next. Now this is a fun part of the app because you can actually choose a different image if you don't like the main primary image of the listing. So you can click on Change Image and actually scroll through and choose a photo. Hey, toilet seats down, all right. So you can go through and choose a photo and tap on Next. And one added benefit of using the Open House app is it's automatically going to hashtag this property and all of the attendees on your dashboard with a hashtag that'll be like open house and the MLS number, which is pretty neat. You can also drop your own hashtags in. So I know this place is near Candlewood. So I can actually type in that word and have it also land as an additional hashtag if I need it myself. So you can have as many hashtags in here as you would like. So I can add this hashtag, and you can see the system is just going to keep adding them in as you add them in to add the hashtag. So you can have multiple hashtags attached to your open house event if you need to, or you can just tap that little red circle with the minus sign in it and get rid of it. Next, you can click Preview and Launch. Now, this is when you set up your mobile app. It asks you to set up a PIN. So I'm going to drop my PIN in. That makes it easy for you to prevent folks out there from accessing the back end of your app, which is a really nice safety feature. And then I can choose if I want to launch or exit. So I can tap on Launch. And now I have my completed sign-in sheet in front of me for my app. And it has my name, my email address, information about the property, and then people can drop in their first name, last name, email, phone. Are you working with an agent? And answer the additional questions and submit. I hope you all have a great day. Bye-bye.